Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to find out many solutions for linear equations in two variables, and we got a many point and you can say pair of value x and y, how to plotting on graph. So you can say how indicate many point in graph. So today we are going to learn this. So let us start. First we take examples. Equations. First you take equations and equations to variables. X plus 2y is equal to 6. We take example x plus 2y is equal to 6. So you convert in this form. 2y is equal to 6 minus x. This value change. Okay. Y is equal to 6 minus x upon 2. You get this form. Okay. Means if you thinks in your mind a value x, then automatically find out a value y. So you first do your work. Now next work you make and you draw a table where write a value x and y. You write here value of x, you write here value of y, and you draw a box for your requirement. Okay. First you take a value of x. So I prepare a box for first point. So you write here y is equal to 6 minus x upon 2. First we take a value of x 0. You write here 0. Then you put the value in this equations. Y is equal to 6 minus x. So you look here, this value for x, you put the value here place of x 0, and you find out 6 upon, you write here 2, 6 minus 0 upon 2 means 6 is 0 out, you remaining 6 upon 2, and you divide by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. This is y value. You look here, find out a value of y automatically. If you think one point in your mind x value 0, then you put the value in this equations place of x, then you find out the finally value of y. You write here value of y is 3. Okay. Now your similarly for next point you write the same equations for next point, and one more times you think in your minds a value of x. Next time you think in your mind a value of x. So I think put here 2. Okay, value of x we take 2, then this value putting on this equations for place x. So you write here y is equal to 6 minus, put the value here 2 upon 2 is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 upon 2, then divide by 2, you found 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, then you finally find out 2. This is a value of y 2. So next time I say to all of you, if you first value things in your mind of x, then x value put in this equations for place x, so you find the automatically value of y. You write here y value 2. Y value 2. So similarly same work for next point. You write here equations, same equations. y is equal to 6 minus x upon 2. Okay. So next time you think in mind a value of x, so we take a value x value 4. So put the value in this equations. Y is equal to 6 minus 4 upon 2 is equal to, you write here, subtract 6 minus 4, you find out 2 upon 2 and this cancels, y is equal to 1. You found the value of y 1. Okay. You grow more for your requirement. If you want to 4 point, then you draw same to same, and thinks in your mind the value of x, then you put the value here and you find out the value of y. So I stop here. That is enough for a line. Draw a line. Okay. So you get a point and you can say you get a value x of y, x value 0, y value 3. So you write here clearly this types 0 3, and next 2 2, and third 4 1. So you look here, this point, this value of, you can say, pair of value x and y, how to plotting on a graph. So we are going to learn how to plotting, how to indicate a point in a graph. So you look here, this is a figure of graph. So we indicated more points, some points in the graph. So you look here, this is x, this is y axis, you write here x and y, x and y, x and y. So this is x axis, this is x axis, this is y axis. Okay, this is x dash, this is y dash axis. So you look here, all points are positive. Okay, so your point, draw a first coordinate. So you look here 0 3. First you go x axis 0. You look here, this is called origin. Origin means 0 0, x 0 and y value 0. And here y 3, y value 3. You go y. This is y axis 3 point, and you mark a point here. Next point your 2 2, x axis 2, y axis distance 2, x axis distance 2 here, and y axis distance 2, and you meet together and you get a point here. Okay, you write here, first you write here 0 3, 0 comma 3, this point 2 2, and left one point, more point, x and y value, this is x axis distance 4. Okay, you get here, and y distance 1. I mark here for all point. Okay, now you get 4 1. You look here, this x axis 4 distance and y axis 1 distance. You mark a point here and you write your value 4 comma 1. Okay, you get a 3 point, first, second and third, and you meet together and draw more. You get a straight line. This is called linear equations of this line. So I write here equations: 2x plus 2y is equal to 6, x plus 2y is equal to 6. This equations for this straight line. Okay, I hope you can understand how to find out the solutions for these equations. You find out the solutions this type, and you collect the point y, and you draw a box. You can table for x and for y value. So you collect here some points x and y, you write here this types x 0 comma 3 2 comma 2 4 comma 1. Then you check here, this is x axis distance, this is y axis distance in a graph, and look your graph here. So x axis 0 0, y axis distance 3, you go here 3. Okay, so similarly you do this same times and you get the 3 points here and write the name of a point and meet together all point and you get a straight line. This is called a linear equations. You look here, this is equations for these lines. I hope you can understand. Thank you.